Don't waste time and money on tourist traps.
I'm Vera from Amsterdam.
I'll show you the real side of the Netherlands.
Amsterdam, Rotterdam, hidden villages, and more.
No expensive travel needed. You watch from your couch at home. Seriously, you don't even have to put pants on, and I take you everywhere, like a local. So smash that subscribe button and let's explore.